In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shade a table row in Microsoft Word. Let's start with your document open and your table visible. First, make sure you're working with the exact row you want to format. Click in any cell within that row to place your cursor there, then drag across to highlight every cell in that row. You should see the entire row become selected. Take a moment to confirm that you've included all the cells in that row and only that row, because the color you choose will apply to whatever is highlighted. If you accidentally miss a cell or include part of another row, just release the mouse and try the selection again until the highlight covers the full width of that single row. With the row selected, look to the top of Word's window. You'll see a contextual set of options called Table Tools. Under Table Tools, click the Table Design tab. This tab only appears when your cursor is inside the table or when the table is selected, so if you don't see it, click back into the table and it should show up right away. Think of table design as your control center for how the table looks, borders, styles, and of course, shading. On the Table Design tab, find the Shading button. It typically looks like a paint bucket. Click it to open the color menu. Here, you have two convenient sets of choices: theme colors and standard colors. Theme colors coordinate with your document's current theme, which helps keep your design consistent across headings, shapes, and other elements. If your document uses a specific brand or template, theme colors are usually the best match. Standard colors are fixed, familiar hues like pure red, blue, or green, and they won't change with the theme. Go ahead and click a color from either section, and Word will immediately fill the selected row with that shade. If you don't love the result, you can simply click Shading again and pick a different color, or press Undo to revert. For more precise control, choose More Colors from the bottom of the menu. This opens a dialog where you can pick an exact shade, browse a wider spectrum, or enter specific values to match a brand or accessibility guideline. This is especially useful if you need a subtle tint that keeps text readable. Once you're satisfied, click anywhere outside the table to deselect it and take a look. The shading should make that row stand out clearly while keeping your document clean and professional. That's all there is to it. Select the row, open Table Design, and use shading to choose the perfect color.